Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you an embroidery idea to make attractive canvas or tote bags which could be good for self-use or as a small gifting idea. In this video, I have used following types of stitches: round flowers with woven wheel stitch, big leaves with fishbone stitch, flower stems with stem stitch, small flower buds with satin stitch. Enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Here I have taken a cloth piece with a print. You can draw it yourself. We do have round flowers with odd numbers of spokes where I will create a flower with woven wheel stitch. To do this stitch, we will need a suitable needle, a scissor, and thread of different colors. Okay, let's start with our woven wheel stitch. Use 3 or 6 strand threads and start from the spoke first. Start the stitching from outside and go down at the center. Repeat it for all the spokes. If you are drawing your own shape, then remember to draw odd number of spokes. As you can see, there are 5 spokes here. Our spokes are done. Now for flower pattern, come out from back side near the center. And then we go over the one spoke and under the next spoke. And keep repeating the same in alternate manner as you can see here. Keep watching carefully. Our first flower is ready. To complete it, take the needle down and lock the thread as shown in the video. Similarly, we will make the second flower with a different color thread. Our second flower is done. Now we will make the leaves with the fishbone stitch. As the name suggests, it will look like a fishbone when completed. Start at the center corner of the leaf and go down on the center line. Then come up from the right side on the leaf outline. And go down on the center line. Next time come up from the left side of the leaf outline. And then go down from the center line. Keep repeating it alternatively from right and left to create a fishbone pattern which also looks like a leaf pattern. Now the fishbone stitch is complete and you can see it looks like fishbone or a leaf pattern. Now we will make flower buds and stem where I will use stem stitch for the stem and satin stitch for the buds. You can check out embroidery basics and baby Buddha video on my YouTube channel to learn how to do these stitches. Our pattern is completed. Now we will do heart shape outline with back stitch. You can check out the embroidery basics video on my YouTube channel to learn how to do back stitch. Our embroidery patch is fully ready. Let's take a tote bag. You can paste it with a hot glue or stitch it to the tote bag using thread and needle. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.